what do you do and what do you not do in war? Um, what is your split-second decision when there is war coming out or there is a decision of war? What do you do? Um, I might talk about this too much or too little or whatever, but it's so important for you to understand to be on the right side of things. Because if you are, let's say, buying Aussie at the time of war comes out, you should be running away. You should be exiting a trade as fast as you can and selling it. And almost no matter what the price is, as long as the market is still open, you're selling whatever you're getting. And that's what the market does. And that's what the market did, the declaration of war was around, I think it was around here, somewhere around midnight of 24th. And then after that, it just fell. Where did it fell down to? 71, 115 pips. A bit lower, but still, same thing. How do sanctions have an effect on the market? Well, in this case, we have Russia and Europe, and sanction has been very powerful against Russia. So that is definitely going to send the ruble down, which it did. It sent it 37% down in a day. And then has retreated back because the Russian central bank has really tried to sell off assets to really support the ruble, but it was initial 37%. The sanction also made it impossible for the Russian central bank to access its foreign assets in euro and dollar, around $400 billion. So that makes them vulnerable for market fluctuations. If the market now decides to, well, let's sell the ruble, the living life out of it, they have little to none tools, but they have put down the interest rate decision. No, the interest rate has been raised to 20%, and they have not allowed people to extract ruble with another currency, which people then would like to do because they don't want to lose all their value, lose the value of their money in rubles. So because dollar is still fairly stagnant and doesn't move that much. So what is the effects? The effects on the economy in Russia or on the forex market, in the bond market, is significant. The European sanctions, no, the Russians against European, you have to see that, well, who is actually in Russia? What did they do in Russia? It's the Norwegian oil fund is in Russia, Equinor is in Russia, oil companies is in Russia, but do we have stacked our assets in Russia? I don't think so. I haven't seen the reports of that. So there's a whole different ball game that we don't have assets over there that they can freeze. So they have closed airlines out of Russia. What does that mean? That means that the airline companies needs to have a southerly route going to Asia. Still possible. But for Russians, they have to go all the way around Europe to get to whatever they want to go. So both for the airline industry, there's higher costs and longer flight routes and all those things, but not really that much on the economy because oil is still flowing. That is kind of the key point here. Oil is still flowing. That is not been sanctioned. It's still the going that's delivered. And the reason why that is important is because if oil is not delivered by Russia, we are going to see a skyrocketing oil price. We're going to see a skyrocketing CPI. We're going to see we're going into prices where things is destruction. Inflation is so high that you might, whenever you enter the shop, the price of a bread is changed by the time you come to the cashier. So what can you? So like it's very destructive. So that's not great for an economy. So that's why oil is still flowing. That's why they didn't sanction the oil. And where do we find all instead? Well, that will take some time.
Interested in seeing our trades live as they happen? By joining the A1 Trading Discord, you'll get a notification every time one of our traders enters a position. Each trade we share comes with an entry price, a stop loss, and most importantly, a full breakdown of why the trade was taken. Learn alongside our experienced traders, join our active chat room, and ask your questions in our coaching webinars. Between our team of active traders, we trade Forex pairs, commodities like gold and oil, crypto, and stocks. By joining the group, you'll be able to keep up with all of it. Sign up today using the link in the description, and don't forget to use our promo code listed below for a special subscriber discount. Thanks for watching, and see you inside.